Hi, Jason Rutherford here with Model Technology Solutions. In this video, we're going to show some of the Azure AD and app proxy functionality. So we have an internal URL for our SCCM reporting that, as you can see, is not available externally to any machines. But let's say we want to take that and make this available externally for our users so they don't have to VPN in. So we've created an app registration and an app proxy through Azure AD. And through login with the msappproxy.net URL, you can see you're able to access from the same machine that we just were not able to access to. On mobile devices, we can leverage Intune in the MAM configuration settings to have the application automatically redirect the URL from the internally available URL to the externally available msappproxy.net URL. This redirection happens for us automatically, thus allowing the user to click on a link that they are regularly used to clicking on and having it being available outside of the network. So let's take a look at how that works. So under Client Apps, App Configuration Policies, we go to our Microsoft Edge policy, and then you scroll down to Settings and you can click Edit, and you can see that we have our Edge configuration settings set to allow application proxy redirection, and then we've also added in a couple of bookmarks. So the app proxy redirection, that's where that translation occurs from the internal URL to the external URL on those devices. And those bookmarks I was talking about, if we go back to our device, take a look at Edge, open up our bookmarks, you can see we have My Apps, our SharePoint site, and the ConfigMan reporting site. And this is so users don't have to type out the URLs whenever they need to access frequently used URLs. Just go ahead and click on the ConfigMan, and there you go.